Another day and another video from Yuki about MILLI. MILLI is the first community coin emerging on DCbatman, and if you want a complete presentation, I recommend you check my previous videos where I did a complete tutorial on how to buy MILLI and what is MILLI and how to navigate the website, the Discord, the Twitter, and you can find all the links in the description of this video. So yesterday was full of event in the MILLIverse. We've had a crazy price action and some interesting news from the team with a lot of teasing that we're going to talk about right now. First, we're going to explore the Twitter account. So we'll see the number of followers is growing. We have about 200 more followers compared to yesterday. The pinpoint is still the same. Millisecond to the moon. Another video. Lots of memes.
So what life you gonna choose? I chose rich every time.
I chose rich as well. And finally, the big news I want to talk to you about is that we don't know what the big news is. The team is teasing us with this one tweet. MILLI team is building big news soon. What could it be? I don't know. We can only speculate. I, for one, think that MEXC is coming very soon. Could be another exchange. Could be some staking program. Could be some burning mechanism. We have no idea. But there's plenty to be made and the team is definitely cooking. So let's keep an eye out for announcement. And I'll keep bugging the team to get the information and give it to you first. But for now, all I got was one word, and this word is anticipate, which for me only means buy more and buy now. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion, and this video is for entertainment only. Now, I want to make a quick shout out to Star Platinum on Twitter. Give him a follow if you haven't already. He decided to use the screenshot I made yesterday to represent where we are at the moment compared to Bonk, and his tweet received more than 6,000 views. And I do think this is the best advertisement we can make for MILLI at the moment, seeing where we are compared to Bonk and seeing possible growth. And before leaving Twitter, guys, I want to mention that poll made by Dr. Mills about which token is the real meme token of DCbatman network, and big shout out to the MILLI community for reading and supporting this poll. The whole poll got more than 4,000 votes and the final results are in. MILLI is number one with 51%, and right behind is DCbatman token, which tried really hard but could not stop the MILLI wave. So again, big shout out to the MILLI army. Now let's look at the market, and we can see that meme coins are dominating the market. Dog coins especially, dog with hat, and Bonk are number one and number two on the daily with huge increase. Now if we look at MILLI, this is on the 1 hour time frame. We can see that we're in a huge triangle that we've been testing and testing and testing again. The lower support of the triangle. And every time we do, we bounce really hard all the way up to the resistance here. Back again, try the support, but really briefly, and back up all the way, and this time above the resistance. Hitting another resistance that we can see with this blue line here, and back in the triangle. We might even go back one time to test the resistance before going up, exiting the triangle, and according to me, going up, testing this support again, and back up. So this is my prediction, guys. As always, don't trust me for financial advice. Anything can happen, and it could burst much sooner if we get a huge announcement like a centralized exchange. Alright, this is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to have fun. Cheers!